Create lines with ratio on contour divides two opposing contour elements using a ratio and then connects these points with lines. Grading is included in this process. Start the macro. The two contour areas need to be selected individually. If they consist of only one element, you can click them with the left mouse button. However, if multiple contour elements need to be selected per side, click the first one with the right mouse button and the last one with the left in clockwise order. All elements in between will be selected. Once both segments are selected, an editor appears. You can set the amount of lines, the element types and extensions, and toggle the grading on and off. On the right side of the window, the three different variants for the distribution can be chosen. Without offset, with 1/2 offset, and without offset plus start or end line. Keep in mind that the amount of selected lines changes depending on the variant you select. Confirm your selection with OK. The lines are marked with notches on both ends and can be graded. If a 3D 2D Connect license is active, they will be converted to 3D internal lines. Since notches cannot move outside of their respective elements, make sure to check the grading. If a line and notch are positioned very close to a splitting point on the elements might need to be merged.